Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now, in the past 20 days, Shibadoge have gained about $30 million market cap according to coinmarketcap.com. Now, Shibadoge was actually trading with about $6.1 million as of the end of last year, 2022. And now this year, the market cap of Shibadoge have actually hit about $38 million. Now, one important thing to understand is that Shibadoge is still going to pump more. Imagine in 20 days getting about $30 million, and a lot of crypto investors, a lot of people have been now having faith on Shibadoge. I hope to see Shibadoge continues to increase in price, increase in market cap. I hope to see other exchanges list and work with Shibadoge, partner with Shibadoge. For example, recently Bitmain just listed Shibadoge. We are happy to see that some exchanges are now getting interested on partnering with Shibadoge, on listing Shibadoge on their platform, and I hope to see some top exchanges like Get.io, like L-Bank, like Binance coming in to support this coin. I know a lot of people like, can Binance release Shibadoge? Yes, there's a possibility. Shibadoge is on the watch list, and CZ have been supporting so many coins. CZ always surprise people, and I believe you might be seeing CZ announcing that they will be listing Shibadoge coin, and the possibility of Shibadoge getting listed by Binance, of course, is possible, and I believe. But for now, I think Shibadoge still need to gain the support and listing of other crypto exchanges like Crypto.com, like Get.io, like L-Bank, and other exchanges before we can now start talking about Binance or Kucoin. I believe also Shibadoge need to partner with Robinhood. Shibadoge have a lot of work. They have a lot of work to do in the area of helping Shibadoge, burning Shibadoge, getting listed. Shibadoge developers, they have a lot. But for me, I think they have really tried. Getting Hotbit, getting IndoEX, getting BKEX, Bitmat, Uniswap V2 and Uniswap V3. I think they have really tried within the past few months. And let's hope to see Shibadoge in 2023 becomes one of the biggest small cap coin of 2023. I'm happy that Shibadoge community has also been supporting this coin. Now we are hoping to see the top exchanges listing Shibadoge. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.